Hey, pre-calc students. Okay, so this is something that's going to be new on this test. I'm going to enable an equation writing. So when you get your test, right, this only has 2 questions. I haven't begun putting it up. But when you press begin test, any question that looks kind of like this, you're going to see this symbol, create a math equation. So say your answer um, needed to be, the radical of 3 over 2. So I can type in the radical, so a fraction, and then the radical 3, and then over 2. And so just move your mouse kind of to allow it. There's pi here, so again, I can save my equation. Maybe I need to add in a second. Maybe the answer was, 3 pi. Who knows? Okay, so we can keep adding things together. You can also type things in, so x is equal to. So instead of typing in what I've been writing to you as like root 3 divided by 2, now we can actually type in what we're looking for. Okay, we can see subscript and superscript, right? So this is just a new thing that we're trying out. So that way the test is not purely multiple choice. For that, you will need to upload your notes. So for every question that kind of looks like this, I'm going to give you partial credit based on your work. So yes, the answer is correct, but I'm not going to give you your full credit until I see the work that follows.